Okay, this is Karl from SLO Sail and Canvas. We're gonna sew on some all slip slides to a mainsail luff. We have some 1/2 inch webbing pre-cut to about the width of our stump here, so it's maybe 14 inches wide. And we're gonna pass it up through the grommet and get this started. Okay. So I'm passing this through and I'm just catching the edge of the bolt rope. So if you look there, you can see I'm catching the edge of the bolt rope. And this is for intermediate slides. We'll do a little bit different sewing pattern on really high load slides, like above reefs or at a batten. Okay, so that's pulled tight. We have 1 stitch through. Now we load the slide. The reason we put that first full wrap down is to insulate the slide from the sail. So even though the sail already has a vinyl chafe protector, we're still going to insulate it with slide. So we've done 1 full wrap, and then we're just going to there. Okay, I am not going to pull really tight because these frapping stitches will take care of it, and that's what this is called. So frapping, you're probably familiar with frapping turns, because we'll get the slide nice and tight. I usually start with going around to the left, and we're basically doing a figure-8 pattern here. So I don't pull really tight on that first one. After this stitch, we will pull tight. We're going right through the middle of the webbing, dead through the middle. Now I'm wrapping around the palm, pulling tight, so you can see that squishing down a little bit. And then we'll go back through the slide here. And we're pulling tight again. Okay. And now next to the webbing, I'm gonna dive down right through the middle of the bolt rope. And this really helps stabilize the slide in place so it doesn't twist on the sail. And we're going back up through the center hole. Okay, so here's where we're at now. So we've done basically a full figure-8 around the webbing, and now we've gone down through the bolt rope, back up through the center of the webbing only, and now I'm going to go down through this other side of the bolt rope, and we'll go back up through the middle. Okay. So there we go. I'll finish off with a knot. So see I'm pulling that down and tightening it. I'm on it. Pulled tight in place. Melted down carefully with a hot knife so it can't come untied, and then this gets trimmed. Nice short tail. Okay. So that's our slide from the top side. And there it is from the bottom. Okay, totally complete, and that's it.